2026. Okay? Yeah. Sometimes the second one is more painful. Or like so for the next 24 hours, you can work out muna ng massages or drink alcohol. Just to be sure na hindi maging... And then you're done. You completed your dose na, yeah, it's two doses for Shingrix. Yeah, so how, 928, yeah, because you had chickenpox na, not yet.
I had shingles.
Oh, you
last
had
year.
shingles.
Yeah,
That's why you got. Okay, okay.
Very good.
Why?
Very good magka-shingles.
Okay, so yeah, no, this will protect you for sure naman.
Okay.
Yeah, since it's that age, you're this age naman.
Lifetime.
Yeah, it should be. Because the shingles happens after
Okay.
chickenpox, right? It's a
Okay.
reactivation of the virus. Okay?
Thank
Are you
so
okay? Do you have
much.
other questions or concerns?
No, I'm good. Thank you so
Alright,
much.
thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, yeah, the nurse will let you know.
Ay, nakalagay birthday ko tsaka pangalan ko. I got it! Second dose! Woohoo!
But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw
Meeting
them
at Little
out.
Quiapo.
Because
May atid kasi kami sa Trinoma kaya napunta kami QC from BGC.
me up, I
Lunch!
feel
Brunch pala. May lunch.
now.
Morning!
She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through. Like a camel through the needle. Everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal. Cause if there's no sequel, I'd rather live in peaceful understanding that we believed our every single word.
Ang gulay. Ay, oo nga.
Daydreaming got me thinking that this can all be true. Speculating, a long time waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like too much.
Init! Hey guys! So, kakatapos ko lang sa labs. 6:30 yata ako na doon. 6:40. Tapos 8:30 na ako natapos. Sobrang daming tao today. Kakaiba. Anyway, we're going to the medical city, South Luzon naman. For, bayad ng parking. For my eye checkup. Sana hindi mahaba yung pila. Pero malamang mahaba yung pila. See you there!
Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know that this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you'll
Got my
feel the
agent
same.
approved for my eye checkup. Now we're waiting sa labas ng eye clinic.
I don't know if
Okay, ito po. Wala pa rin.
Wala pa din.
Yes. ANTAOEHNTLLAVEH.
Oh, can you look here sa aking finger? Yeah. Finger lang.
NCALOAOTHL T, hindi ko alam, L, N, di na.
So, what happens if I remove this? May nagbago ba? Wala.
Meron po.
May konti, na?
Lumabo po. Hindi ko na
Lumabo,
mabasa yung second layer.
Correct, correct. Okay naman color ng mga contour.
Open na.
There you are fine. Just give you time. Just know that you are still.
Finally done! Gutom na ako. 12:30 na. 12:30 na, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yun. Thank you very much.
We're doing groceries and kinailangan ko to buksan kasi dehydrated na ako, nagka-cramps na yung pa ako, guys. Ang sakit. I'm home. Guys, andyan na yung ibang lab results and bubuksan ko na. Kinakabahan talaga ako kung may protein or wala. So, wala pa yung complement C3, wala pa yung vitamin D, wala pa yung ESR. Oh, meron tayong high SGPT ko, high SGPT ALT. So, 69.51, pero dapat hanggang 35 lang. And potassium ko naman is low, pero konti lang naman. 3.4 yung akin, tas 3.5 dapat. So, okay lang yan. Next na yung blood. Ooh. Oh my God! Pasok lahat. Hindi nyo kita. Pasok lahat, guys. So, next na yung urine. Doon ako pinakakabado. Pero thank you, Lord. Pasok lahat. Negative! Thank you, Lord. Negative yung protein. Oh my God. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you rin sa mga nag-pray for me. Saya-saya ko. Walang protein. Anyway, thank you rin sa nag-pray for me kasi nag-post ako sa channel ko on Instagram na maglalabas ako today and kinakabahan ako. So I asked them to pray for me. So thank you for everyone who always prays for me. Sana maganda din ang labs niyo. So, meron akong positive sa blood, pero okay lang yon kasi kakakaroon ko lang last week. So baka may leftover blood pa. But oh my God, nakahinga na ako kasi talaga kabado. Naiiyak ako. Second, ano ko na to? Second lapse. Last one is last March. Na negative yung protein ko. And I'm so thankful. Grabe, hindi ko alam ganito ako kakabalo. Naiiyak na ako. Thank you, Lord. And thank you, Doctor. And thank you, Rituximab. And thank you to everyone who helped me get my Ritux. Oh my God. Sana tuloy-tuloy na. But second time negative. Magugulat na naman yung doktor ko. Sabihin na naman yun, hindi ko ihito. But yung protein creatinine ratio wala pa. Processing pa siya. But still, sa urine, negative pa rin, I mean. Thank you. Yee, ang daming dumidikit sa akin. Ayoko na. Good morning, guys. It's my lupus checkup today.
Pumasok sa kung saan saang madumi.
Anong gagawin ko? Pulang na.
So, pag nag-create ka ng your own size, sa kanila kapresyohan. Tama ba?
Walang female.
Yeah. And then yung off na lang, no? Ito follow up mo naman.
Okay.
Tanungin mo lang, hindi naman ako nagmamadali.
Okay po.
The next time, kahit mga next year na or... Basta just ask if it was done.
Okay.
And if there's anyways. Doc,
-2. -2 medicine. Dali. Ay, naman. Restroom muna kasi nahihiya sila. Guyabano.
Mukha siyang ano, fighting fish. Oo nga. Pag sobrang busog.
Baka nga may lumalang bilang iba.
Halo niyo para mamuha.
Mukha raw fighting
Ano yung ube? Fighting fish. Ube color, fighting fish.
Vlog to. Going home. It's currently 10. Going 10 p.m. 9 something. Uwi pa lang kami. We left the house 10 a.m. then. So 12 hours na kami sa labas. But all is well. I had so much fun. Thank you guys for watching till the end. You're the best. Love you. Mwah. Bye!